Last month, we dispoed $530,000. We literally 20x our money.
Honestly, I don't know how you could even run a wholesale business without Investorlift. It's that vital to your success.
We've been able to scale our business from 6 figures to 8 figures.
Dude, I don't even know what ARTEMIS mode means, but I know it's where I go to sell my deals.
ARTEMIS mode lets you stalk your buyers. You can see everything that they have looked at on your deal, how many pictures they've been through, which picture they spent on the most, how many times they've come back to your deal. It's a huge negotiation tactic in terms of who you can actually gauge who's interested and who's not. ARTEMIS mode is the ultimate cheat code.